Hi, in this video, you will learn how to download, install, and activate the Norton 360 app on an Android device. You may be currently using your computer or your mobile device. If you are using your computer and want to send the instructions to install Norton 360 app on your Android device, go to the URL shown here and sign into your account using Norton LifeLock credentials. If you do not have an account, click Create a new account and complete the sign-up process. In the Get Started window, click Download Norton, and then click Send a download link. Type a valid email address, and then click the send icon. Open this email on the Android device where you wish to install the Norton 360 app, and then tap Download Now. In the Get Started window, choose Norton 360, and then tap Next. You are redirected to the Norton 360 app on the Google Play Store. In case if you are already on your mobile device, open Google Play Store and search for Norton 360 app. Tap Install to start the installation. When the installation finishes, tap Open. Read and accept the license and services agreement, and acknowledge our global privacy statement. Tap Sign In. Sign in using your Norton LifeLock credentials. If you have more than one license, choose one, and then tap Next to activate the Norton 360 app on your Android device. Once the initial setup completes, the My Norton homepage displays the security, identity, and privacy tiles, depending on your subscription. By tapping on the security tile, you may notice that the device security is enabled. But, to help improve your mobile protection, you need to set up app security, internet security, and Wi-Fi security. To begin with, tap App Security, and then tap Set Up. On the Accessibility Settings page, find and tap on Norton 360 Service, and move the slider to turn it on. Read and understand the information displayed, and then tap Allow. Allow the Norton 360 app to display over other apps by turning on the slider. To stay protected, you need to allow Norton 360 app to run in the background. To do this, tap Next, and then tap Allow. Now, the app security and internet security are enabled. Next, tap Wi-Fi security, and then tap Set Up. To enable this feature, you need to allow Norton 360 app to access the device location services. Wi-Fi security is now enabled, and your Wi-Fi network is secure. If you have a subscription that includes VPN, tap the privacy tile and turn on VPN by tapping on the slider. Read the information displayed carefully, and then tap OK. VPN is now turned on. By tapping on the settings icon, you can choose to switch between manual mode and auto VPN. At any point in time, if you wish to do a quick scan, pull down or swipe down the My Norton page. Finally, if you have a subscription that includes dark web monitoring or identity theft protection, you can see the identity tile displayed on the My Norton page. Tap the identity tile and follow the on-screen instructions to set up this feature for maximum protection. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more support videos, please visit youtube.com/Norton. And for more information, please visit support.norton.com.